This is the AI News Flash for May 2nd, 9 p.m. UTC. First up, the European Union has unveiled a revised Cybersecurity Act that effectively excludes Chinese-made telecom equipment from European networks. The framework, presented in Strasbourg on January 20th, empowers the European Commission to designate third countries as posing cybersecurity concerns and classify their suppliers as high risk across mobile, fixed, and satellite networks. Huawei, which employs around 10,000 people in Europe and accounted for roughly 30% of installed European 5G hardware in early 2026, faces a December 2026 deadline in Germany to be fully phased out from 5G core networks. Brussels has gained legal authority to override member state resistance, marking a major escalation of the US-China tech standoff into the European AI and telecom infrastructure arena. Second story, as community opposition to AI data center construction grows, U.S. building trades unions have emerged as a powerful PR ally for big tech. The Pennsylvania Building Trades Council, IBEW Electrical Workers Local 26, Boilermakers Local 154, and Ironworkers Local 395 are publicly defending construction projects at city councils and state houses, sometimes appearing as the only voices in support. Data centers now account for at least 40% of work hours in the Columbus Central Ohio Council and over 50% in IBEW Local 26 in the DC Metro. While North America's building trades unions hit record membership and apprenticeship numbers in 2025. Google has committed $10 million to union electrician training, expected to grow the workforce by 70%. While Amazon plans $20 billion for 2 Pennsylvania data centers, positioning labor unions against state-level moratorium bills in Maine and regulations in Illinois. Third story, OpenAI has launched AI-generated pets for its Codex coding agent app today, adding a gamified companion layer for developer. Activated by the /pet command, the floating overlay companions display Codex's current task, send completion alerts, and notify developers when input is required, allowing thread monitoring without app switching on Windows and Mac OS. 8 default pet designs ship out of the box. While the /hatch command lets users create custom pets with AI assistance, and the community has already shared recreations of Microsoft's classic Clippy assistant, OpenAI is offering 30 days of ChatGPT Pro access to creators of 10 selected user-generated pet designs, signaling a new gamification strategy for agentic developer experience as AI coding tools mature. Fourth story, U.S. waste management leader Casella Waste Systems announced fleetwide deployment of in-cab AI technology in its Q1 2026 earnings report. The in-cab AI system delivers real-time feedback on risky driving behaviors and contributed to a 20% year-over-year improvement in Casella's total recordable incident rate during 2026. The company raised full-year revenue guidance from $1.97 to $1.99 billion up to $2.06 to $2.08 billion, complemented by the April 1st closing of the Star Waste acquisition, reinforcing its growth trajectory. Physical AI deployment in waste and logistics fleets is now generating measurable ROI in driver safety and insurance costs, marking a notable example of traditional industry AI adoption beyond data centers. That's all for this AI News Flash.